Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe billing automation. This video is only for UChat partners. Okay, we will show you how it is for you to set up your own pricing and easily, automate everything. Okay, so now let's get started. So first of all, let me show you a quick demo and what you can set up for your UChat partner. And I will show you how to easily your clients can upgrade, downgrade, and how they can easily manage the billing, update the card, check the invoice if they want. And also I will explain how we handle the payment failures. Okay, everything is automated, but this is only for the Stripe. Okay, if you have the Stripe account, if you are one of our UChat partners, this is how easy you can set up, and I will later show you how to do this step by step. Okay, let's start it. So this is one of my demo workspace, and this is what your clients is going to see. So for example, let me create a new workspace. I will show you exactly from the start to finish. Okay, UChat live demo workspace, create. Okay, and let's open. So by default, this is what your clients they are going to see. Okay, they're going to have 14 days free trial, and they are going to access all the pro features. And if they click this subscribe button, this one, or if they go to the billing page, they will directly see what the plans you are selling. Okay, this is your selling price. And for example, if your clients they want to purchase this plan, they just click this and click this buy now button. Because you already connect to your Stripe account, they actually pay directly to your Stripe account. Okay, so I have a coupon code to use. So this is I can easily test, and I can then subscribe. Okay, so subscription is done. If I click this one, so usually the clients they need to refresh the page. Okay, they need to reload the page, and then you can see they already on the correct plan. Okay, and they can downgrade to the free plan, they can upgrade to the higher plan if they want. Okay, because different plans have different limits. And also let me show you is they can easily manage the billings. Okay, and they can check the invoice, they can cancel the subscription if they want. So they can go to the portal, billing portal, click here, and then it will open a Stripe custom portal for the user. Okay, and you can see they can first update that card. Okay, this is a payment method. Okay, if they are expiring the card, they can add another card, and then they can make that new card as a default, so they will charging from there. Okay, this is all the billing invoice. And also if they do not want, they can directly cancel the plans over here. They do not need to contact you to cancel the plan. They can directly cancel the plan over here. Okay, so that is how easy it is for your clients to purchase, to upgrade, to downgrade, and to manage, update the card, check the transaction history, and also they can manage the subscription themselves right in the billing tab. Okay, so everything is done. So this is what you are going to set up for your own partner plan. Okay, if you are interested to set this up, and let's get started. So first one, let me explain what you need. Okay, first of all, you need a partner plan. Okay, you need to, if you haven't joined UChat partner plan, you can go to the billings and select the partner plan. Currently is $199 per month. And on our homepage, there is a section you can learn more about the our partner plan. Okay, so here there is a white label, and there is a 1 hour long video. You just go through that video so that you understand exactly what the plan is about, and if you're interested, you can subscribe to our partner plan. Now, second thing is you need to set up your own plan and your own pricing. So as the UChat partner, we offer you 3 default plans. Okay, for example, we have the business plan, we have the business light, and we also have the business large. Okay, those are the 3 default plan we offer. And you can see business plan have limits is 1 bot, 1,000 bot users, 5 members, and the cost price for that is $10. Okay, so if you are happy with this default reply, the default plan, you can just go ahead directly, name the price you want to sell and follow to the next step. Okay, if this is not the plan you want to sell, you do have the opportunity to customize these plans. For example, you want to offer 2 bots. Okay, you want to offer 2,000 bot users. You want to offer 5 members to get started. Okay, so you can click this one. There is a price calculator. So you can have another 1 bot. You can have another 1,000 bot users, and then it will tell you what the cost is. Okay, and then you just need to write down the limits, the plan you want to offer, and then you send these plans you want to set up to our support. Okay, we will add those plans manually for you. You do have maximum 3 plans, so you can just calculate this based on all the 3 different default plan we offer. Okay, they all have different starting points. This business light is starting with 1 bot, 10,000 bot users, so that if you want to add another 5,000 bot users, you can just calculate over here, and it will tell you the price, the cost price for that. Okay, so that is you need to set up your own plan. You need to set up your own pricing. You need to know we offer 3. We offer 4 actually. There is 1 yearly plan. So we offer 4 different plans by default, and you know now how to calculate and how to design your own plans. Okay, it's just a variation of number of bots, total bot users, and members. Okay, and then after you decided your plan, you can send it to UChat support. Maximum 3 plans we will add manually for you. Okay, this is something you need to figure out before you set up your Stripe billing automation. And now you need to have a Stripe account. So I know that for some countries you do not have Stripe account, but I believe that you can find some online to create a company in US. I think it will cost $300 or $500, and you will have a US company, and you will be able to create a Stripe account. Okay, if you want. We do have the solutions if you do not have Stripe account. If you are using local payment gateways, that will be a separate video. Okay, but for this video, let's stick with how to set up this Stripe billing automation step by step. Now let's set up this step by step. First step is you need to go to your main workspace. Okay, and then you go to integrations, and then you go to Stripe. You connect your Stripe account over here. One important thing is you need to put your Stripe account in the live mode. Okay, sandbox mode doesn't work, and you need to put it in the live mode. So you will show it like here. It's in green. It's a live mode. Okay, now let's move to the next step. is you need to select internal billing in the partner white label settings. So if you go to your main workspace, go to white label settings, go to partner settings, select partner settings. Here, the billing type, you need to select internal billing from the drop-down. Okay, after that, save. That's the second step. And the third step is actually you log in your Stripe account. You need to set up different subscription pricing. Okay, in your Stripe account, please set up in the live mode, because everything is on the live mode. It's not in the developer mode, and you need to set up the selling price more than the cost we offer. Okay, that's something obviously. And now let me show you. And this is my Stripe account. This is my Stripe account. Okay, you can see it's not in the test mode. Okay, it's in the live mode. And then you need to go to the product, and you can click add product, name it properly, and you need to select the currency you want, and you need to put your selling price, and you can select recurring monthly. Okay, and then save the product. Okay, you need to create 3 subscription price that is exactly matching the plans you want to sell. Okay, and after you create the subscription product in the live mode in Stripe, and then you can move to the next step. The next step is still in Stripe. You need to create a 100% off discount code. Okay, that will help you to test. Okay, if you want, but you can also skip the test, because if you follow these tutorials step by step, it will work. Okay, just in case if you want to test, so you need to go to your Stripe account after you add the product, and you need to go to the coupons, and you can create a new coupon. Okay, so for example, this is new live coupon. Okay, and here you can select 100% off, and select the percentage discount, and create. This is the password. So I already create the coupon code, and now you need to add the product. Okay, so I think somewhere you need to add the product. Let me see. Okay, I think this is not. Let's add it again. Okay, this might be a little confusing. So you need to name it new coupon, and percentage. Select 100% off. Here you can select the product you want to apply to. Okay, so basically I already create the plans, so I can search the plans, and you can add 3 different products all over here, so that this coupon code only applied to those products you select. Okay, after that you can save, create the coupon code. And you still need to add a promotion code. Okay, it's not over yet, so you still need to add a promotion code. And this is something, you can name whatever you want, and you can set up these settings as well. So basically, when you are testing, you need to use this code. Okay, this promotion code, and then that will give you 100% off. So that is this step. You already create a 100% discount code to test. And now let's move to UChat. So we are about to set up we are about to connect the subscription pricing you set up in Stripe inside of UChat. Okay, so now you can go to UChat, go to the white label settings and partner settings, and then select the plans. So basically, for example, this business plan, select the business plan, and you can design the features you want. Okay, you can move them to disable features that will not available in this plan. And now you need to go to the Stripe billing. I already set up, but I will show you how to set this up. So this is something you will sync from your Stripe account. Okay, so for example, I'm selling $49 per month. If I search the name, I can find this subscription price you create in the previous step. So select this plan, and remember, it haven't finished yet. You need to select the internal billings, okay, from the drop-down in this template, and then click this add button. A lot of users, they forgot to click this add button, so they think it's set up, but actually it's not. So click this add button and then click save. Okay, so it's perfectly explained over here. Go to your white label settings, partner settings, plan, and make sure you select the internal billing, and you select the red subscription pricing, create and save. So basically you do the same for the other 3 different plans. For example, Business Lite, I also connect with $79 per month and connect with internal billing. Okay, for the Business Large, I am selling $199 per month, and I also connect with internal billing, and I save that. Okay, so that is the step that you actually connect your Stripe subscription inside of UChat. Now, let's move to the next step. So in this step, if you have a partner account, it's possible that you do not have partner credit yet. Okay, this may be empty for you. And in order for you to, fully test how it works, is when your customers purchase these plans at your custom domain, you first take the money, right? And then we will need to upgrade them to the workspace they purchased. And then we will check, do you have enough credit for this plan? That should at least cover the cost of this plan. If you do not have any plan, your front end, your customer will see an error, okay? It will be a simple error, contact the support or something. That is simply because you do not have enough partner credit to test to allow them to upgrade. Okay, so I would suggest you to put $100 or $200 or something in the partner credit so that you can test with. Okay, after you've done the testing, you can reach out to our support. We will refund this credit back to your wallet. Yeah, so basically that is the step, is you needed to add partner credit minimum to cover the cost of the plan. Okay, otherwise you will see some errors. And yeah, so if you are testing with 100% off coupon code, it will not charge your card anything. The payment will go through, but at the back end, it will deduce your credit from your partner wallet, okay? So that you can reach out to support to add those credit back after you've done the testing, okay? That is the step, and then you can test the upgrade. You can test the downgrade, okay? So I already test that, so I think I already test that. So over here, I already test the upgrade, I already test the downgrade, and also I show you the billing portal that they can manage, update the card, cancel the plan, and check the transaction history. So everything should be working out of the box, okay? So what you need to do to test is, when you are changing the plans or when you are purchasing, use the coupon code, okay? Use the coupon code. So for example, you need to use the coupon code. It will not charge you anything, and you put your real product, a credit card, and then you subscribe, okay? It will not charge you anything, but it has to be a real card, and then the payment will go through, and then it will actually reduce that credit cost of the plan from your partner credit. Okay, and that credit we can refund you after you done all the testing. You can see the customer already upgraded to this plan, and if you go to UChat backend, you refresh, I think not refresh over here, reload the page, you can see even you are testing this plan, they change it to the plan, the cost of that plan is $30, and that cost is already removed from your partner credit. Okay, that is something you can get back after you've done the testing. So that is how you can testing. And I have an important part that to explain. So we already handled automation, okay, upgrade. Now let's talk about the downgrade. For example, your clients, they may be, say they want to cancel, or they do not want to use the plan anymore. So in order to fully, in order to 100% make sure that plan is cancelled, they have actually 3 options, okay? First, your customer can select downgrade to the free plan themselves, okay? So what I mean is your customers can go to the billings and they can click these changed plans, and then it will downgrade to the free plan, and they will be not charged anymore. We will cancel their subscriptions from the Stripe account. Okay, this is one of the options. Second option, your customer can cancel the plan in custom portal. So for example, your customers, if they subscribe in the Stripe, they can go to the billing portal, and in the billing portal there is a cancel plan button. Okay, so they can cancel from here as well, and they will be not charged, and they will be downgraded to the free plan. Okay, that's another options they have. And the third option is you, partner, you can cancel the subscription in your Stripe account. Okay, so what I mean by that is, for example, this is my Stripe account, and you can find the customer. You can find the customer by email. Okay, you can see this is the plan they purchased, and you can cancel the plans over here. Okay, so when you click this button, you will have 2 options. One is you cancel the plan immediately, and then another option is you cancel the plan at the end of the billing cycle. Okay, so these 2 options is actually, if you select cancel immediately, that means that workspace will be downgraded to the free plan immediately. Okay, if you cancel at the end of the billing cycle, so what we did is we turned off the auto renew. So the partner, your clients, they still can access to the workspace until end of the billing cycle, and after that, that workspace will be downgraded to the free plan. Okay, so that is the 3 options you have that will be 100% sure they will be not charged. That plan will be cancelled. But you need to know that if you've done these 2 things, we are not automatically pause the subscription. Okay, that means if you manually downgrade the client's workspace in the partner settings. So for example, this is your partner settings. You can see all the workspace, right? And this is a new, for example, your clients subscribed. If you change the plans over here for them, and then that is the automation we are not handling. Okay, so your clients, they may be still subscribed. Okay, so if you are using the Stripe automation, you need to use the 3 mentioned methods. Okay, otherwise that subscription may be not cancelled. Okay, do not use this one. And the second is if you downgrade the plans through partner API. So basically, we have a partner API, right? So if you go to the partner settings, and there is a partner API. So if you downgrade that workspace through partner API, so basically there is a one that is change plan. So you can change the workspace and change them to the free plan. Okay. So both of this one, if you manually downgrade the client's workspace or you downgrade that workspace through partner API, both of these way are not suggested. Okay. We do not recommend you use this one, and because the subscription will not be automatically paused. We suggest you to use any of these three options. Okay. Now I hope it's clear. And now let's talk about the last point. The last point is actually how to handle the subscription failures. Okay. So there are subscription failed payment. So I want you to be 100% sure is we are not handling payment failure, a failed of payment. We only handle the automation if the subscription is cancelled. Okay, so that is a setting in your Stripe account. If you go to your Stripe account, and let me show you. If you go to your Stripe account and you go to the settings, and then you go to subscriptions and emails, and there is this is the settings. Okay, so basically you are telling Stripe what you want to do if they have the failed payment. Okay, so for example, they have the retrial schedule, so that they will retrial 4 times in 1 week. If all the retrial fails, and then you can cancel the subscription. Okay, so what happens here is at the billing. So for example, if the customer already reached the end of the billing date, okay, from the UChat point of view, we will renew that workspace. So a cost price of the plan will be deduced from your partner credit, and then you will be Stripe will be start to retry to charge your client's card, and maybe after 4 times in a week, you can actually decide how many times you want to retry, and after that, if all 4 times fails, Stripe will automatically cancel that subscription. And now, when this event happens, that is the time that UChat actually kick in. We downgrade that workspace to the free plan. So there will be 7 days that you are paying for your clients. Okay, because what we are doing is we charge you for a whole month first, and after 7 days, when the workspace is cancelled, it's downgraded to the free plan, we actually refund the other 3 weeks cost to your partner credit. So you are paying 7 days for your clients. And if you do not want to do that, what you can do is you can set up this, set up the retry, and you just retry 1 day. Okay, it just remove everything. So basically that means that it will just try it 1 time, and if it doesn't go through, and you can cancel the subscription immediately. Okay, that will keep your cost, the extra cost you are paying for your client's workspace to the minimal. Okay, so I hope I make it 100% clear over here. And so the point is, partner will be charged immediately at the end of the billing cycle. And if the payment fails in Stripe and triggered cancel subscription, then the client's workspace will be downgraded to the free plan. Okay, that is the automation that UChat will take care of. And the balance credit unused So for example, if we downgrade the workspace, after 1 day, so you will be only charged 1 day for that workspace, okay? And the balance credit will be refunded to your partner credit. So that's the how UChat handling the subscription failure, okay? And I think that's about it. And what's next? So basically, what's next is, if you are not using Stripe, okay, for whatever reasons, we will have another video that will show you how to using the billing URL. That is another billing options. You can still automate the process with our partner API. So that will be a separate video, and we will release soon. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask in our Facebook group. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are interested in our partner plan, you can go to the billings and select partner plan. We will have a coupon code that you can use that is 1 week free. So basically, this will give you 7 days totally free. You can go to the settings and you can play with it. If you are satisfied, you can stay on the plan. If not, you can cancel this free trial within 7 days. Okay, you will be not charged. So that's the video for today. See you guys next time.